AIM is all about using media to create community. We've been recognized 10 times as America's best community media facility and distribution network. We have editing equipment, we have portable equipment that goes out on location. We've got a production truck, we have a portable switcher that can cover events around the community, and we have hundreds of volunteers. We feel like no one is too young or too old to be involved in Arlington Independent Media. Our youngest members are 7 or 8 years old, and our oldest members are 85 to 90 years old. Every ethnic group, every language, all are welcome.
AIM, I was surfing through Facebook one day, and I noticed this station. They just started a radio station, and they were looking for producers with an interesting story, a story to tell. And I said, you know, I want to talk about the environment. So I contacted AIM, and they said, welcome aboard. So I've been here about 1.5 years, and it's been great.
It was also a community that embraced newcomers immediately. It finds ways to give people tasks and put them in relationship with other people.
I heard that there's this new license for low-power FM radio stations, and when I Googled to see what it was all about, I saw that there was one right here in Arlington that was about to start up. And so I thought, wow, it's so close by. That's such a great opportunity. I should really contact those folks and put in an application for a radio program there.
I care about foreign policy, and I think it's a topic, if we want people to understand it, we have to come to it from a level perspective, a balanced perspective, and a fair perspective.
It's because we feel like it is very important now more than ever that people don't sit down, don't be quiet, don't be passive, that they stand up, they make themselves heard, and they raise their voice.